Hello everyone, today we are having our esteemed alumni Mr. Sandeep Saini, who is passed out from 2007 batch of B.Tech ECE and currently serving as an expert in architecture at Ericsson's company.
Thank you. I'm Sandeep. I'm passed out of 2003-2007 batch. I'm electronics and communication student, and straight out of the campus I think I got selected in Infosys IBM, but I choose Nokia as my first company. I'm working with Ericsson as general manager, looking after sales, pre-sales across India and Southeast Asia, Oceania. Very glad to be invited here. I want to thank you everyone for having me here. It's quite nostalgic to be back here. I give a lot of credit to Lingaya's for my strong foundation in technical and leadership skills. I think the dynamic and the vibrant culture which I have not only in academia but also in cultural activities, hands-on experience on projects, mentorship. My faculty has helped me a lot to learn these leadership skills, to learn problem-solving skills, to have in networking, and overall to continue to innovate and grow.
Please give us advice to our current pursuing students of B.Tech.
I think my current advice would be to be confident, to learn across technologies, learn latest AI, ML, cloud infrastructures, to learn about 5G and 6G technologies, and be confident, be logical in your approach, and continue to connect and work as a team. I think those are the important parameters I would suggest is very important.
Thank you, sir, for your...
I would also like to thank probably Gadde sir here, my faculties, which has helped me a lot, Alumni cell, to have me here. Of course, I miss some of the old HODs and faculties, Pragati ma'am, Brijesh sir, Sanjay Jha sir, and then of course Amrita ma'am. So there are a lot of faculties which we have a very good connect. We are still connected in this industry, and I hope we continue to connect, and maybe we give more opportunities to the students which are coming out of here. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.